Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Black wire. This is a hot wire that carries electricity from the power source to the first switch in a typical three-way setup. It's also called the common wire, or the line wire. Unless the breaker is off, this black wire is always hot.
Take our lead.
The black, hot, wire enters the switch on the left. Three-way wire, which includes red, black and white wires, runs from the switch on the left to the switch on the right, with the white wire carrying ground and the red and black wires carrying the output from terminals in the left switch.
Let's help you make your mark.
Connect the ground wire of the 3-wire cable to the ground wire of the 4-wire cable. Connect the black wire of the 3-wire circuit to either the red or the black wire of the 4-wire circuit. The red and black wires are the hot wires. Either wire can be used to power a circuit.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hence, my question, what do I do with the red wire? The answer is that the red wire is the hot wire from the switch itself. You are wiring your fixture into a junction box where buku wires come together. Hook the white to white, ground to ground and red to the black light fixture wires.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.